Can't fall asleep at night? Racing thoughts? Try this 60-second trick backed by science. This 1-minute breathing exercise can calm your nervous system and help you drift off effortlessly. When we're stressed, our breath gets shallow. That tells the brain to stay alert. But if you slow it down, magic happens. Here's the technique.
Inhale.
Inhale through your nose for 4
Hold.
seconds. Hold for 7.
Exhale.
Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8. That's called the 4-7-8 method. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the one that relaxes you. It's simple but powerful. Just repeat this 60-second trick 2-3 times before bed. Many people say it helps quiet their racing thoughts, reduce anxiety, and even stop midnight wake-ups. Pair this breathing habit with these natural tools: magnesium glycinate, lavender oil, and a white noise machine. You can find all these linked below, backed by sleep specialists and thousands of happy reviews. Remember, good sleep is a habit. Start tonight with this trick. Your body will thank you tomorrow. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Try it now with me. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more science-backed tips. Sweet dreams.